Little backstory, Derek hit me up. He's like, hey man, you gotta take this car for a rip before I sell it. He built his motor around the same time I built my motor, and Cody built it at Goodspeed Performance, and Derek also works there. He's the guy you talk to at the front when you walk in or call on the phone. He knows everything A to Z with Subarus. It's awesome how much knowledge he's been able to pass on to me, and I'm so appreciative of that. So if there's anyone who knows how to build a Subaru right, it's Derek, and Cody put the motor together, and man, these things are running solid. This car is so much fun. It's got all the nicest parts on it, holy cow. So if someone's in the market for buying a Subaru like this and likes minimal style like Derek, this is a rad car. So enjoy this video, parts list in the description, the price, and then Derek's Instagram on the screen right now. Contact him if you want to buy this car. We are out in Phoenix, Arizona. This is a good car. I stand behind this one. It's really nice parts and it feels nice behind the wheel. about building confidence in the garage. That's what the brand Karma Speed is all about. That's the brand of the channel that I created. We have some awesome new shirts coming out soon. We have some restocks of hats and whatnot coming up very, very soon. So keep your eyes peeled on the upcoming videos. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to join this community as well as get involved. Then we have the private Facebook group, Karma Speed, and we have the Instagram, Karma Speed. So the Facebook group is great for having conversation, meeting people, asking questions. And you can also DM myself and ask questions. I love to talk to you guys. So if you haven't reached out via DM, please do. Join the Facebook group and then follow Karma Speed on Instagram to then get your car posted. Send me your best photo. You can find like-minded individuals with the same cars or find people that cars you might be interested in, ask them questions. I'm trying to enable you guys as much as possible to be able to thrive in this community of genuine car enthusiasts. Also, if you're here this late, you might be wondering, where the heck is the Impreza build? What's going on? Why are you making progress on it? Big improvements happening in the garage. I'm trying to finish that first because it's way too hot out here in Arizona during the summer. I've been doing it for my whole life out in the summer in the heat, and I'm toast. I'm done. We have the final piece to get that done though. Let me show you. Booyah! We got an AC unit for the garage. We're gonna do a whole install vid on this coming soon. Some other prep work to make this worth it and work better. So keep your eyes peeled. This has been a long process in the garage. I haven't been able to use it for like weeks. So it's gonna be awesome.